Monday.com holiday calendar scheme tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add the holiday calendar scheme into your board on Monday. Basically this app is going to be used as a, let's say, refreshing tool to your calendar or to your schedule, because it is going to hold up the holidays that are available all the year round, and they are going to be available within your schedule, so you're not going to be obliged to set up manually the works or everything that you need or you have in there. So how we can use it, or how we do to use or add this: basically you need an app, because this is or this holiday scheme calendar is going to be available within an app called Teamboard. So if you do not know Teamboard, it is going to be a very sufficient app for Monday.com that you're going to use, and you can go ahead and have the view of it into an app. So we can go ahead and head over here and add a view for the Teamboard. It is going to add a specific calendar, and also the assigned members are going to be right there. So you can go ahead and add a timeline, for example, and you're going to set up this calendar. Now, how we can add this scheme or the holiday calendar scheme: as you can see, this is a calendar for this person. This is going to be the assignee for this place. For example, you're going to have the days, whatever, but the holidays are not available. So how we can add the holidays: when you click on the app, you're going to find this on it. Click on the three dots, click on settings, and select app setting. Now on the app setting, we're going to head over the left side of the screen and click on holiday calendar scheme. As you can see, we're going to have here, as you can see, the holidays. You click on it, you have the badge color for it. You're going to assign it to anyone by default. List of holidays. As you can see here, we have no holidays because we haven't set up already the holidays. So here I'm going to add a new one. For example, you can add a calendar name like holiday, for example, and set up the description for it, days off, like that. You can set up the assignee. I'm going to choose all of the members. The dates you can go ahead and use, for example, set up the dates, or you can have the import. So countries, we're going to use maybe the United States of America. We are going to import. Here we have, as you can see, 20 dates, and we're going to have them all. So we can go and select them all, and we're going to confirm them. And as you can see, we're going to export them just like that. We're going to either export them or let them just like that. Boom. So you can see that it is going to have the red dots like this and that, the other ones like this and this. So each one is going to be individual, so we cannot assign work to it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.